Hey guys, welcome to week 5. So you are a third of the way, or almost a third of the way through the course, so great job. So this week you're going to have your first test. The test is actually 2 parts. So part A is the objective part of the test, which is in Blackboard under the test quizzes section. It is going to cover modules 1, 2, and 3. So you may want to do some practice quizzes over module 1, 2, and 3 first before you do part A. So that's a great way to prepare yourself for that part of the test. Now, part B is task-based. So that's where you're going to show me what you know. And that is located in SAM. So let's go up to the quizzes test section. And we're going to scroll down and find, here we are, Test 1, Part A. So it's covering modules 1, 2, and 3. Please make sure you're reading the instructions thoroughly. So on this one, I am going to give you 2 attempts to complete this assessment up to the due date. You will not get the results of your first attempt other than the ones that you got right and wrong, but you will not get the answers. Then part B is in SAM. Now this one you're going to have 3 projects, and this is actually how they're labeled. So let's go ahead and go into SAM. So in SAM you'll see Test 1 Part B Module 1, Test 1 Part B Module 2, Test 1 Part B Module 3. So make sure you do all 3 of them. They are required. You want to make sure you read the instructions thoroughly. This one I'm going to give you 2 attempts to submit. And if you only choose one, that's fine. But I do want you to keep in mind that on the test, I do go into SAM and I download your graded projects for the test, and I go through and I give you feedback on what you got wrong and how it should have been done. So there is no need to send me an email asking me to double check the grading in SAM. When it comes to the test, I definitely do that. So that is week 5, and if you have any questions, please contact me and let me know. Otherwise, have a great week and do your best. Take care.